Can water really flow upward? Yes, and it's not magic. It's called the Coandă Effect. When a stream of water hits a curved surface, instead of bouncing off, it sticks to it, even if the surface curves upward. You can try it at home. Run water from a tap and hold a spoon under the stream. The water bends around the spoon, climbing the curve, then shoots off sideways. Airplanes use this same principle to help generate lift. It's one of those strange physics laws your eyes don't believe, but your brain knows is real. Water flowing uphill, thanks to invisible forces.